Welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and we're back at one of our favorite parks to come to here in the Muskokas. We're here at Hardy Lake Provincial Park. Now Hardy Lake is off the 169 highway right there. Something new about this park since the last time I was here. The last time I was here, this road right here was not part of the Great Lakes Waterfront Trail, but now it is. So now we're going to get the benefits of a twofer, and maybe even a threefer. I'm not sure. I don't think that's part of the Trans-Canada Trail. So maybe a twofer for sure anyways. But yeah, we're here at Hardy Lakes. We've been here a few times now. This might be activation number 3, number 4 for me here. We come here quite a bit. When I come to visit the in-laws in the Muskokas, this is where I kind of come to. It's Sandy Park. It's got a memorial here to Andy J. Pott from 1975 to 2005, which was, what was he? He's an Ontario Provincial Police Constable. So it's got a nice memorial here for Andy J. Potts. The Ontario flag hanging there, and the Hardy Lake sign is across the road here. I'm going to see if I can get across the road here and get a picture with the sign, because I don't think I got a picture with the sign at all here. Looks pretty quiet on the road here. So we'll cross. Why did the chicken cross the road? You get a picture of the Hardy Lake sign. Nice looking campground, a park. It's not a campground, it's just a park. The hiking trails. It's a little windy today. So I'm hoping my new fix on the Performer is going to work. Yeah, so if you watched my last video, we ran into a little snag with the KJ6ER Performer and my hack of a job with a ground spike. Anyway, got a potential fix. And we're going to try it out right here from Hardy Lake. See if we can get it to work. I'm pretty sure we can. Actually, I might just go park over there. And I can put the antenna over there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the car, park over there, and I can just put the antenna out of the way behind the memorial there. That's a good idea. You saw in the last video how I screwed up that Performer with that ground spike that I made. Well, I got a fix. Part of it's in here with this tripod from Buddy Pole. And the other half I sawed the Performer PVC at 20 inches, and I bought a coupler. So if I want to use the Performer, I put the coupler on. If I don't want to use it as a Challenger, I just take the coupler off. Is it going to work? Haven't got the foggiest idea, but we're experimenting. Let's try and see if we can experiment around this one. We took the Performer PVC, basically cut it with a hacksaw, just like so. There's our 2 bits. And we got this coupler that if we want to use it as a Performer, we just slide the coupler in, join the 2 pieces together. If we just want to use it as a Challenger, there's the Challenger bit. It's the same trucker mount. It's and this PVC pipe is the right size to fit into that tripod. All right, so there's the 4-to-1 on with our counterpoise wire, our wire here going into the base of the Performer. I'm going to just turn this so it's not, or a Performer, in the Challenger, the base of the Challenger. I'm going to turn that pigtail so it's not stretched by any means. And there's our 25.5 or 25-foot chameleon whip and our highly visible coax cable. Again, 11 sections, 4 inches. Greg told me not to adjust the counterpoise. The counterpoise is there at the right length for a reason. Always fine tune on your whip. Contrary to what Michael Martins gave the advice in one of his videos about the Challenger, do not shorten or lengthen your counterpoise. Always make your adjustments on the whip. So 11 sections, 4 inches is the height. There we go. We got the Challenger up. It's receiving. We got a good FWR match. So let's go play some serious ham radio here, folks. I love this park. Very simple to get into. Hardy Lakes Provincial Park here in the Muskokas in Ontario. And it's part of Lakes and Lagoons as well as flora and fauna. I'm going to activate the Great Lakes Trail today since it's right there. And since I don't think I've done that one with flora and fauna yet. I have done Hardy Lakes with flora and fauna. But let's see if we can do this one. All right, let's get Ham 2K Polo fired up, find a frequency, and let's get this operation underway. Did I mention that it's really, really hot today? 29 degrees Celsius right now at What time is it? 22 minutes after 6 in the evening. It's gonna be a hot one. Didn't even check the solar numbers for today. Let's see. KNX is 2, solar flux is 100. It's a little low, but yeah, you never know. You never know. I see my friend Yukata is on 17 meters, and Amir is on 20 and 14.255. Can I hear Amir? Nope. I hear people working Amir, but I'm not hearing Amir. We'll start on 14.242 today. 14.242. I know I'm working in the general class, which I normally don't, but oh well, we'll see what we can wrestle up here. 14.242. Let's get spotted. So Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable Victor Echo 3. And Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot's the operator. And I need to put my operation detail. All right, I think we're ready to go. I'm going to spot myself. And let's get rocking and rolling. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. CQ 20 meters. Mike 5, Juliet Romeo Foxtrot. Low, Jamie, 5 and 1. 5 and 1, over.
Thank you very much for friend, Gilbert. 5 and 1, 51 with me, over.
Yeah, he came up to about a 5 and 3 on that last one. They came up to a 5 and 3, Jamie. Okay, Jamie, got you in the log. 5 and 3. 5 and 3, over. 5 and 3, Jamie. 5 and 3, over. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3.
Norway 8, India.
Norway 8, India, Jeff, 5 and 9.
Okay, 5 and 9. The high bays are open. Just for your information. Take care.
All right, thanks, my friend. Thanks for the info there. 7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3.
Kilo Bravo 2, Golf, Charlie Golf.
Kilo Bravo 2, Golf, Charlie Golf, 5 and 9.
Hi, Stuart. You're 5-9 as well in Delaware, 73.
Thanks, Jerry. 7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3. Mexico 9, Lima Oscar Victor, 5 and 1, Chris, 51. Thank you, my friend. Thanks to hear from you again. 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3.
Kilo Foxtrot 4, Hotel, Oscar, Quebec.
Kilo Foxtrot 4, Hotel Oscar, Quebec. Are you out of band?
Negative, I'm an extra.
Ha! You know I'm just joshing with you, buddy. You know I'm just joshing with you.
Man, you had me look at the band plan.
Hey, 5 and 3 for you, my friend. 5 and 3.
That's about where you are, too. 5 and 3, of course. I might not have the antenna turned directly towards you. I know you're west of your... what province are you in now?
I'm in Ontario. Just beam towards Toronto.
Okay, yeah, I'm pretty close right there then.
Yeah, I'm north of Toronto by about, I don't know, a couple hundred miles over.
I got you. You having fun yet?
Oh, yeah, I'm having a blast. I can't complain. The weather's been terrible. It's so super hot, over.
I hope you have fun. Stay safe, and I'll keep talking with you later.
All right, buddy. Good to hear from you. 7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3.
Foxtrot 4, Oscar Zulu.
Alpha Foxtrot 4, Oscar Zulu. Sounding good, Dan. 5 and 9.
Roger, sound good here. You're about a 5-7 on the meter.
Yeah, I'm on the Challenger now. I was on the Performer yesterday, but I snapped my tent spike last night, so I couldn't use the Challenger, so I had to do a quick modification to it this morning, over.
Roger, that explains why you're coming in so loud and clear here now. You were skipping over me last night for the most part.
Yeah, the bands are funny, but there you go. Anyway, thanks for the call, Dan. Appreciate it. 7-3.
7-3.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Portable, Victor Echo 3.
Victor Echo 6, Sugar Victor.
Victor Echo 6, Sugar Victor. 5 and 9, Gord.
Yeah, Roger, you're 5 and 7, 5 and 8.
Yeah, I'm going to be out your way on Thursday. I look forward to working Victor Echo 6 land next on Thursday, over.
Where are you going to be, over?
Up in Bonnyville. I'm going to be doing some around the Bonnyville area, over.
Roger. Well, hopefully we'll take a listen for you then.
All right, yeah. Friday morning, I'm going to try to get into Saskatchewan, and Saturday morning, and then Sunday all day.
Oh, excellent. All right, real good. I'm just outside of Edmonton in Sherwood Park over.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, my son lives in Sherwood Park, so I know exactly where you're at, my friend. Thank you. 7-3.
73.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable Victor Echo 3.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie, 5 and 5, Mike, 5 and 5.
Yeah, hi, Stuart. Also 55. Having fun on the road?
Oh, yeah. Did you try calling me yesterday?
When?
Yesterday. Did you try to call me yesterday?
Probably. I don't remember for sure now.
I thought I heard you, but I didn't. I couldn't. I went back and you didn't answer, so I wasn't sure if it was you or not.
Could have been. I can't remember for sure. It's the days kind of all blend together. Yesterday I was had some appointments and stuff, so I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before.
Yeah, I know I worked you the day before for sure. When I was in Quebec, I worked you for sure. Anyway, yeah, 5 and 5, Mike, sounding good. And we'll be in Victor Echo 6 land on Friday morning. Probably Victor Echo 5 on Friday morning, Victor Echo 6 on Saturday morning.
All right, well, I'll keep an ear out. Hopefully I'll catch you. Thanks, appreciate it, and have a great trip.
Yeah, see you later, my friend. Thank you. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable Victor Echo 3.
Echo Alpha 8, Delta Mike Zulu.
Echo of 8, Delta Mike Zulu, 5 and 9.
Okay, Stuart, your signal 5 is real. Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable 3. This is my 4th activation at this park. And if I go past 2000, which I won't, I could make it my 5th. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3. The last time I was out here was November 24th of 2024. So a year and a half ago, so been a while. Had 136 QSOs on that day. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3.
Oscar 4, Foxtrot X-Ray.
Kilo Oscar 4, Fox X-Ray, 5 and 9.
Thanks.
Thank you, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable 3.
Kilo Charlie 3, Quebec Oscar Romeo again. I follow you on YouTube. Good videos. 73, good luck.
Okay, thanks, my friend. Thanks for the compliment, 7-3. Thanks. I'm recording these ones for the channel back so I can get them out when in August sometime, I hope.
Copy. I'll keep a lookout. Good luck.
Thank you, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3.
Victor Oscar 1, United Kilo.
Victor Ocean 1, United Kilo, 5 and 9.
United Duplicate, bud. Thanks for the new one.
Thank you, Dwayne, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3. I didn't want to extend into a new UTC day, but I've worked November 5 Hotel Alpha, and it's a new, so I might as well get my 8 more and make this my 5th activation of this park. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3.
Whiskey 1 Alpha, Victor Kilo.
Whiskey 1 Alpha, Victor Kilo, 5 and 9.
Departure 59, Connecticut, 73.
73, thanks for the call. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, portable, Victor Echo 3. All right, so we're all done here at Hardy Lake Provincial Park. Okay, we finished with 195 QSOs in the log. I think there was a duplicate in there. One duplicate. 195 QSOs before dupes. So we did okay. Let's see, 195. Why does it say 180? Oh, well. I don't know. Well, multiple days. That's probably why. Yeah, multiple days. That's why. Just looking at it. I forgot I went over the UTC day. Thanks to November 5 Hotel Alpha for pushing me over the UTC day. Anyway, 194 QSOs. So that puts me around, it's going to be like almost 600 QSOs in this park here in Ontario. I'm doing pretty good for here. So the KJ6ER Challenger did well. If you look at the map, it was not a very good DX night. Not a very good DX night at all. Only had a few overseas contacts. Twice got into Mike in Alaska. But overall, it was a very, very poor DX night with only 12 DXCC entities, which is, the flies are starting to get terrible here. We got to wrap up. Anyway, 12 DXCC entities, which is well below average for me. Anyway, it is what it is. We can't fault propagation. 190-ish, 194 QSOs in 1 hour and 40 some odd minutes. So 1 hour, 40 minutes, 194 QSOs. Anyway, the flies are getting bad. We got to get out of here. Let's start packing up. So yeah, the KJ6ER Challenger worked like a charm tonight. You know, one thing I was thinking after I set up here, I wonder if this, I can't tell that flagpole is not metal. I was thinking maybe if it was metal, I wonder if it was acting as a reflector, but it's not metal. It's some sort of carbon fiber. Anyway, KJ6ER Challenger, great antenna. Even with horrible band conditions, it worked well. Okay, the flies are something severe, so we're gonna get out of here. 7-3 from Ontario, everyone. We got one more, oh my God, the flies. We got one more activation to do here in Ontario tomorrow, and then we're off on the plane to Alberta. See you guys soon.